How's you going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's workshop. Well, we're going to have a busy day today. Today is Friday, September 6th. We're expecting Hurricane Dorion tomorrow. Now, us in the Merry-times, us Merry-timers, we're a friendly sort, and we love having visitors. So anybody out there like to come and visit Grampie's workshop anytime, please feel free. Just give us a heads up. But this Dorion fella that's coming, I'm not too impressed. I don't think I'm going to like him much. But anyhow, what we have to do to get ready for Dorion is we have to secure a few things and get squared away here. So that's what we're up to this morning. My boat down here, you can see it right down in there beside the boathouse. That's just up on the ramp, so I'm going to have to put another line or two on it and secure it good. The boats that are on the rack there in the back of the boathouse, I think they're going to be alright. They're tied off good now already. So that'll look after that. I think the garden is just going to have to suffer it out. Nanny's got some good looking plants in there. And they're liable to get blown down, broken. I'd like to be able to tell you what some of the names of these plants are, but that's above my pay grade. Her garden has been doing really good this year. You can see back there some really nice looking red tomatoes. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. But we're just going to have to let that try to suffer through. So I let down the picnic table, flipped over all the chairs, put down the swing, and put the plastic chairs in the shed. Looked like it was a hell of a party. Now here's an interesting thing I just want to show you. When I built this shed, I didn't want to cut many trees down. I didn't want to cut that guy down because I like trees. So what I did is I cut the roof away to let that tree continue to be there. Well, this is going to be interesting to see how that tree stands up in this storm. It may cause catastrophic damage, and it may not. We'll just have to wait and see, I guess. So I'm going to take this tarp off of this shelter, take it right off I think, and I believe I'm just going to leave what's in there. It should be alright, it's plenty heavy, should stick around, hopefully. And on this tractor shelter, it's the shelter is starting to show its age. You can see right there in that corner there's a little rip mark. So we have a new skin to put on this shelter. And I was going to take this skin off too, just to be safe. But now I'm thinking I'm going to try a little experiment here. Let's see what happens. So I can show you what I'm going to do here. Now I'm not sure if you can see, but I have a ratchet strap tied on there, down to that arm on the tractor, and then from that arm up to the framework of the shelter, and the same thing in back here. I have a ratchet strap tied from that framework down to the frame of the tractor, and the same on the other side. So with those 4 ratchet straps tied to the tractor, I'm hoping that that's going to keep the shelter anchored down here to the base, which is 6x6, and the shelter is bolted to those 6x6, and the 6x6 are spiked into the ground with 3-inch rebar here and there. There's one right there, right there. So I'm hoping that this shelter won't move during the storm. We're going to leave her like this. Nanny was securing up the garden as best she could. And there she goes with some, she's going to go get some more stuff to put away to protect us from the storm.
Put the plants away.
Put the plants away. She has a lot of plants out on the deck. You can see over there, so she's going to gather those all up, put them under cover. How's that for a skylight? And then if we can just flip it. And then I'll put this in the tractor shed too. So in the end I did decide to take this back wall down. I guess all it cost me was tie wraps. And these end walls, I'm not going to take those out, I will leave those. I'm going to keep you posted on what transpires, and what blows away, what breaks. I hope I'm going to be able to keep you updated. I'm praying that nothing serious happens, and I hope everyone out there who's watching, no matter where you are, if you're being affected by Dorian, I hope that the Lord is good to you and spares you any serious damages. Definitely don't want to have anybody get physically hurt, emotionally hurt by this storm. So the storm is coming, I guess. All the predictions say it's going to arrive. Today's Friday. Tomorrow, probably early morning, we'll start to get some rain. And then as the day wears on, the rain will get more intense. And then the winds will kick up. But the biggest part of the storm is supposed to be Saturday night into Sunday morning. So, if all goes well, I'll be back sometime on Sunday, give you an update. I've got some gas, got lots of water, lots of food. So we're good that way. And the generator's ready. But then after we get the generator tested and everything squared away, we're just going to go in the camp and hunker down and, you know, do like they used to do years ago. Look out the window at the weather. Anyways, folks, I hope you're able to see this video to its conclusion. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this, and be safe. We'll talk to you.